channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after CPI, we saw some crazy moves on the market. There was expectation of 6.2%, previous data was 6.5%, and the result came out to be 6.4%. And what happened? We saw crazy volatility. We did not see market going towards any particular direction. Market was just going up and down. Okay, here you can see dollar finds friends after sticky US inflation readout. The dollar found some support on Wednesday after stubbornly high US inflation suggested interest rates are going to remain high for longer than investors had expected. And DXY went down sharply for a couple of seconds, and we saw DXY bouncing perfectly from a support zone 102.50 to 102.60, the support level we have been talking about. To be honest, I was thinking that if due to high volatility market would break the support. That's why I also clearly mentioned in the morning that this level will mostly work before the news only, but during news also we saw market beautifully respecting the support and bouncing. So DXY is back inside the range again, the range of 103.95 or 104 at the top and 102.50 to 102.60. This is the range of DXY again. And as we can see right now, the DXY US dollar currency index is standing at 103.43 and slowly going towards the upside. So if it goes up, then again it will face some resistance around this area. If it reverses, again we can trade accordingly on gold, euro USD, GBP USD and others. Okay, you don't need to observe DXY candle by candle, just watch DXY on the key support and resistance levels. That's it. And if we look at the forexfactory.com or any economy calendar, you will see that today also we have got some news. Core retail sales, which is a high impact news. So my dear friends, today also we will see some volatility on DXY and other US dollar pairs, so please be careful. Yesterday the support level worked. That doesn't mean that it will work today also. Keep in mind, news trading is not that simple. Okay, so please trade accordingly. Okay, and now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So first of all, gold also perfectly respected the support levels we have been talking about for the last couple of days. When I saw that gold bounced perfectly from 1843-44 levels, I was shocked. Or to be honest, I was shocked because I was hoping that market would break 1844-43 level. Yesterday in the morning also I clearly mentioned that this level may fail. Okay, this level may fail. During news we have a 50-50 chance, but when I saw the market bounce perfectly from 1843-44 level, I was shocked. And when market went up, and bounced from the weak support, yes, it was not a very strong support of 1871, then I got the second shock. Okay, so this is the market. Okay, this is market is full of surprises, my dear friends, but yes, our levels work perfectly. Okay, those who took the trade made very good money. I hope so. So today during the day, if the volatility of the market remains like this, as you can see right now that there is not much volatility, market is quite normal. If the volatility of the market remains like this, especially during the Asian session and European session, then there's a high chance that market will take support again around 1844 level. Okay, now the question is how to understand whether the market is taking support or not. Okay, observe the market around this area. Okay, use your common sense. If you see market has come to support with big red candles, then do you think that you should go for a buy position? No. Okay, you should not. Okay, you instead of taking a buy position, you should look for a sell position because support and resistance levels are not permanent. So observe the market around the support area. If you see that market is coming to support area with normal candles, okay, market is forming green red candles, it means that the selling pressure is not very high and market has the intention of taking support. And if you see market forming a hammer pattern, if you see market forming a hammer pattern, bullish engulfing pattern, or if you see market showing any good price rejection from below, will give you the confirmation that yes, market is taking support. You can wait for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you can go for the trade. Okay, in case market comes with big red candle like this, then obviously you should avoid. Okay, you should avoid taking a buy push immediately. But after 1 or 1.5 hours, if you see that yes, market is not breaking, then yes, you can go for a buy position. Before we proceed further, I would like to mention about Chart Prime, who have sponsored the today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully, because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, you can also use these tools in your analysis for additional confirmation. They also have a trading community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. Trust me guys, I have been using Chart Prime for a couple of months and their service is really awesome. If you really want to know how these indicators work, you can just go to their website chartprime.com and just go to the tutorial section. You will see the functioning of these indicators. Okay, my dear friends, as we are traders, we believe in probability. So I won't say that these indicators are 100% accurate, but with proper risk management, you can definitely make some money. Let me show you. This is the 50-minute chart of gold. You can see the signals generated by Chart Prime. Okay, see possible reversal down. See, it means that we need to take a sell position here. Possible reversal up means we need to go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means we need to go for a sell position. If not trend reversal, at least you can expect 40-50 pips on daily basis with the help of the software. But yes, the tool also generates false signals sometimes, because 100% accuracy is not possible, as we all know. But yes, the accuracy is certainly very good. Along with the buy and sell signals, you can also see that they have an oscillator where they also provide the overbought, oversold, divergences and many other things. Just watch the tutorial, you will know all the things. You can just go with the 1 month subscription and just try the product yourself. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. And my dear friends, if you use the link in the description below, you'll also get 30% discount. You may also scan the QR code available on the screen for faster registration. Check them out. But one thing I would like to mention, my dear friends, that though we have a support right now here, but if you observe the structure of the market, then the structure is not very positive here. Okay, you can clearly see the market is constantly forming lower lows, and forming lower lows does not signify the strength of the buyers. The sellers are the sellers are gaining ground, gaining strength in the market. So there's a big possibility that market may break 1843-44 level as well. Okay, so during news, there's a possibility that market will break 1843-44 level. If doesn't break also by tonight, okay, in the coming 1 or 2 days, market has a high chance of breaking the support if market continues forming lower lows, because lower lows is not a very positive sign for the market. Okay, so as long as market is forming lower lows slowly, okay, there's a high chance that market will break 1843-44 level and market will head towards the next big support around 1825 to 1828 level that we have already mentioned many times in our previous videos. So the overall levels are still the same. 1844-43 is still the support for the market. During the day, if you see market taking support, then only go for a buy position, because already market has done the job. The support has already done the job yesterday. So as a result, the next big support is only around 1825 to 1828 level. And in case during the day market goes up also, then we have resistance around 1871 again. Okay, again, the volatility will play a big role in the market. If you see the market is going up, but there is not much buying power, okay, there's not much buying power, buying pressure, then there's a high chance that market will reverse. Okay, market will reverse on 1871. In case it breaks 1871, let's assume then market forms a big green candle here. Market forms a big green candle, then obviously, okay, you can easily understand that market will break the resistance. Okay, after all, this was not a strong resistance also. If market breaks the resistance, then obviously you should look for sell around 1881. The next resistance 1881, then we have got resistance around 1890. Okay, these are minor resistance levels during the day for day traders only. And the strong resistance level is still the same that we have been talking for last 7 to 10 days. That is 1898 to 1903. This is the best resistance on the chart of gold right now. Okay, the best resistance is 1898 1903, and the best support is 1825 to 1825 to 1828, the best support, this one. Okay, and right now market is approaching the support of 1844.43. If the size of the candle remains like this, then obviously the chances of market breaking the support is high. In that case, you don't need to do anything. But if you see the market is breaking the support and going up again, coming up again, entering inside the range again, then you can consider taking a buy position. Okay, because market will not go in a straight line. Okay, the structure of the market will be like this. Okay, so if you see the market is breaking the support, obviously you should take a buy position. But when after hunting some SLs, okay, market will come up again, enter inside 1843.44, you may consider a buy if you want. Okay, beginners, new traders, you can avoid completely. And the minor resistance levels are 1871, 1881, but keep in mind they will not work during high volatile market. So this is the overall scenario on gold right now. Please trade with caution. Please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. Please be careful. Follow proper risk management. Right now, there are not much good trading opportunities for day traders, especially if I take you to the 15 minutes time frame, then you can clearly see that there are not many perfect opportunities for day traders right now. Okay, so day traders, if you trade on levels like 1865, 1847, then please be careful. Okay, it's your personal risk. Bye bye, take care.